This is the Creekwood Bowling team, and we asked the coaches how long they've been coaching for.
This is my 10th year coaching the bowling team here at Creekwood, and it's one of my favorite things to do.
Well, this would be my 7th or 8th year. It's hard to keep up with it.
We also asked the coaches how confident they are this year.
This year, I feel like we really have an opportunity to come out with 2 state championships. 1 gold for our boys and 1 gold for our girls.
With the boys, I'm really confident because they always show up and they always work really hard.
Then we asked the players how bowling has been so far.
It's been good. We have a really good team put together, so I'm excited for this season.
Pretty good. Just changed my form, so I'm trying to get better at that. It's been going incredible. I really like bowling. It's like fantastic. I love it.
We also asked the players why they got into bowling.
Well, I've been bowling since I was little, so it's always been kind of in my life. That's why I want to be a part of the team.
Seemed fun, and my best friend does it. So it's a sport that I thought I would really like.
And that was the Creekwood Bowling team. Thank you for watching.